Hello friends. So today we are going to see in this video the alphabet train. So welcome back to my channel. Are you guys ready? Let's go. A. Aeroplane. B. For bag. C. C for cup. D. D for dog. E. E for egg. F. F for frog. F for frog. G. G for goat. G for goat. H. H for helicopter. H for helicopter. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L. L for lamb. L for lamb. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for orange. O for orange. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q. Q for question mark. Q for question mark. R. R for rat. R for rat. S. S for sunglasses. S for sunglasses. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for vase. V for vase. W for watch. W for watch. X for Christmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. And subscribe to our channel, that is it, okay?